English card, transportation. This is an aircraft. So human invented this vehicle. It has a long, thin body, which is called the fuselage. It has wings like a bird. The wings are for generating lift to hold it in the air. It also has jet engine. The person who flies this aircraft is called a pilot. One benefit of traveling by it is that they're very fast. You can cover great distance in short amount of time. You can fly from Asia to Africa, from Europe to North America within a day. Yes, the first letter is A. Right, the second letter is I. Correct, the third letter is R. Yes, the fourth letter is P. Right, the fifth letter is L. Right, the sixth letter is A. Nice, the seventh letter is N. Good job, the last letter is E. Excellent, this is an airplane. Well done.